2458 Via De Milano. So we have a satellite dish. We definitely want to do a one-time landscape cleanup, but we do that on all the properties. So we have laminate flooring. We have the 2.5-inch faux blinds, but they are not all in good condition, so I'm not sure if we replace some of them, if we want to replace all of them. But obviously that one's warped. I couldn't get it brighter in here. And honestly, just from what I can tell, the paint seems to be in okay condition. The laminate is not the best quality. Like, there's a large seam right there in the wall, which I think you can see. It's a pretty dark bluish gray. There's some stains on the ceiling. So it's just maybe, yeah, we'll need the property manager's opinion on whether or not we want to do a full repaint, just primarily because of the darkness. So remove the screen door possibly, because we don't always need a screen door on the slider. So you could put the eat-in table there and a little bit of a living area here. Need a new tub stopper, shower rod, a little bit of touch-up in here. Nothing crazy. Lots of storage. There's no light in here, but the carpet seems okay. It needs to be stretched out. Look at the property manager opinion on that as well. There's no light in here either. We have closet door guides and a little bit of a built-in raised panel doors. Carpet needs to be stretched in there as well. This is the master. It's kind of small. Some touch-up areas where there were drapes. Those blinds are not looking very good. Oh, sorry. So I'm just trying to get in. Replace that drain ring. Okay.